All right, girls, keep moving. Steady now, we're almost there. Come on, girls, keep moving. That's it, steady now. Come on, keep moving. Come on, girls, keep moving. Easy now, watch your step.
All right, girls, let's go. Up the ramp now, keep it moving. This one looks good. Head them up, keep it slow. Nice and steady now. Easy now, move along. That's it.
That's it, go get some grass.
The milk moves through pipes under controlled heat, maintaining safety and freshness.
Heat, heat.
Operators monitor temperature controls, ensuring precise pasteurization.
This batch looks good. But keep an eye on the capping mechanism pressure.
Clear on this side! Keep coming back, clean, all clear. Hold it, hey, that's the bumpers. Set the brake.
Look how fresh this milk is. Whew, so creamy and delicious.
Bay 4, is the line ready for the shipment?
Affirmative. Tanks are prepped and waiting. Bring it in.
Got it secured on the gate. All right, clear to lower. Bring it down slow.
We're hitting the target temperature now, adjusting the flow rate.
Noted. Looks stable and the melt is complete.
Consistency is perfect. We are good to go. Okay. Confirmed. I've logged the batch data.
Sample 3 is ready for the rack.
Noted.
Preparing the label for the next batch now.
So minst quickly that is sans yes.
The lavender oatmeal batch meets all quality standards. Approved for distribution.
The temperature is holding steady at 75.
Good, the process is active.
Back it up slowly now. Keep it straight. That's good. Hold it right there. All right, see you guys later.
Bye, have a good one.
See you tomorrow.
This one smells incredible, like fresh jasmine. Oh, that is lovely. We should get two.
Wow, you found the ivory. That's perfect.
Almost done here. Did you want these in the same bag?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.